Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility wheelchair accessible van. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. Pinch the clamp there, it's got a handle on either side. I can take this down using only my index finger. Very easy to do, look there. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. The ramp is 34 inches wide. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. That's 2 inches wider than the side entry. That makes a big difference on what size chairs you can get in and out of here. It's got 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or stretcher. Headliner looks great, has the rear air controls up there, plenty of cup holders in the rear. These middle row seats, or now the back row seats, used to be middle row, 21 inches between them. If you need more room, you can actually, one chair can put their legs between them. If you want to try to get 2 chairs in here, we could possibly put more narrow seats in there, seats that flip up out of the way. Let us know what you need. We can help accommodate this van and make it what you need. Plenty of cup holders galore. The dash looks great. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got the radio, dual climate control, rear air controls, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van, so you can secure your wheelchair. When you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look at that, 1 finger. Very easy to do. Clamp these back down, and you are ready to roll. Quick walk around of the van. It's got the tinted windows in the rear. We put 4 brand new tires on this, and I mean brand new. These don't even have 5 miles on them. Very clean inside and out. It's got this nice royal blue color on it, very rare color for these Caravans. So if blue is your color, this van might be the one for you. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. It's very clean, even on our used vehicles, and I really look for stuff that's just very clean, very well taken care of. Auto check shows this is a 1 owner. Miles are actual, clean title. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of smoke or any unusual odors in this van. No cigarette burns in it, nothing like that. Just clean all over, inside and out. Show you the VIN number. We always show the VIN number in our videos, so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. There's a lot of people out there doing some crazy things. Comes with 2 keys. Both have keyless entry. You can see the current mile is 66,300. When I go to fire the van up, fires up first time every time with no issues. All the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no airbag, no ABS lights, none of those. You can also see we purchased a valve cover gasket and intake gasket on this, and also put a new fresh oil change in it. We put 4 new tires on it, and all that work at a shop would probably cost you about $1,500. So the gaskets were just starting to leak a little bit. Figured, hey, we're gonna replace them. This van's a few years old. Let's get them nice and neat. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any rust or anything like that, like this van's ever been underwater. We check these vans over very thorough before we purchase them. I only want top of the line vehicles. I don't want headaches. I don't want wrecks. I don't want I don't want anything spinning in a bad wreck. I don't want anything spin underwater. You can see very clean. A little bit of surface rust under there, but that's to be expected on a vehicle that's almost 5 years old. But overall looks very clean. It's exactly what we want. And you'll notice our competition, they don't often show the undercarriage of a vehicle. And the reason is, they buy a lot of these vehicles from up north, Chicago, New York. They buy rust buckets, they put them out and they sell them, and they never show you the undercarriage. So that's why I'm down here crawling on the ground. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. And you can see those tires, brand new, all 4 of them. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looked good in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume because it's a good price online. They assume it's a good van. Don't assume things. If someone's going to ask you to pay $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more, tell them to get off their behind. Tell them to get out there and make a detailed video like this. Don't assume it runs and drives good. Don't assume that it's rust-free. Don't assume anything works unless you've seen it. We test the windows, we test the power mirrors, we've tested the cruise control, we've tested the heat, AC, everything on this van we have found works. So let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. Good acceleration, gets up to almost 70 miles an hour, no problem. Steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. It's not bouncing up and down. Steering wheel is not bouncing back and forth. So you can see all these things for yourself. You don't have to assume things. That's why I'm out here making this video. That's why you should demand a video, so you know these things are real. You know this is what this van is. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Also, look at our reviews online, on Google, all the nice things people had to say about us. We have over 600 transactions on eBay. All of them left positive reviews, not a single negative review. So it's our videos, our reputation, and our prices. That's what sell these vans. We are no pressure sales. We are not going to beg you to buy this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, because I promise if you don't buy them, someone else is going to. So what I'll do is I'll take the next exit here. I'll give it a hard brake. And also comparing us to the competition, keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a nice price online. Then you get out to their dealership or you read the fine print and they have a $500 in fees, $1,000 in fees. Nice hard brake. No one's behind me, I checked. But no braking, no squeaking, nothing like that. Very nice van inside now. So back to comparing us to the competition. A lot of these guys have a bunch of hidden fees they don't tell you about. You know, I have to ask you a question. If someone's going to hide money from you, if they're not going to tell you the actual price, what else are they hiding from you? So we don't do business like that. Again, I'm out here laying on the ground, crawling underneath the vehicle. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. And you get to deal with the owner, which is myself. You don't have to deal with the used car salesman. Most of these used car salesmen, they're probably going to be working at another dealership in a couple months. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. They just care about that commission check. And that's why used car salesmen get the reputation that used car salesmen have. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'd love to hear from you. If you want to do business with the owner, someone who cares if you get a good deal, someone who wants your repeat business, someone that's going to be here 5 years from now and 10 years from now, give us a call. 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. That's 316-262-VANS. And if you'd like to give me a text message, if that's easier for you, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to go to one of those big companies out there, and I want you to ask for the owner's cell phone number. See if they are committed to customer service and making sure you have exactly what you need. See if they're that committed, they give you the owner's cell phone number. Let me know how that goes. I've never had anyone never had anyone try that yet. I'm interested to see what they get. Keep in mind, we have financing available. We can send you an application to your email or phone, or we can take one over the phone. To see our entire inventory, please visit us at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Remember, we have free shipping in the lower 48 states, no hidden fees. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.